Urvashi Rautela is back at Cannes Film Festival, and this time she's turning even more heads than usual. The actor, who's become a regular at the festival, walked the red carpet on Tuesday for the opening ceremony and the screening of Parthi Ranjor, which means leave one day. Dressed in a colourful strapless structured outfit in shades of blue, red and yellow, Urvashi went all out. Love her or not, Urvashi Rautela, but what really grabbed attention? That crystal-covered parrot-shaped clutch. One pic even shows her kissing it while posing. According to the popular Instagram page, Diet Sabya, the clutch is from designer Judith Lieber and cost a jaw-dropping $5,495, that's over 4.6 lakh rupees. And of course, the internet had all the thoughts. One person joked, "So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like Design Machine Studio." Another simply said, "I'm such a fan." One user even asked, "Was Daku Maharaj shown at the festival?" Referencing her recent film Daku Maharaj, someone wrote, "Slay," while another commented, giving Moulin Rogue meets Mayur Vihar realness. A fan wondered if Urvashi was going full cam, asking, "Is it a satire on cam?" And another claimed she was hogging the red carpet and asked to leave. In 2024, Urvashi starred in Jahangir National University not once but twice. In 2025, her song Dabidi Dabidi from Daku Maharaj made headlines for its bold dance steps. She followed it up with Touch Kiya from Jat. Next up, she'll be seen in Welcome to the Jungle and Kasoor 2. Love her or not, Urvashi Rautela sure knows how to keep all the eyes on her at the Cannes.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.